Here I've got VERNEE Apollo Lite, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at first, let's open IMEI numbers, both of them, through the secret code. So at first you have to open the phone dialer, keypad, and then enter a secret code, which is *#, 06 £. And as you can see, both IMEI numbers assigned to both SIM cards are included here. Click on OK to go back. And now we will open also those IMEI numbers, but also the serial number through the settings. So at first let's open the settings, then scroll down and choose About Phone and go to Status. Here you will notice IMEI information, just click on it, and here you've got both IMEI numbers, and a bit lower you can read your serial number. So that would be all. This is the quick and easy method to activate IMEI and serial number in your device. To check it, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.